Hey Google, open the Task Genius AI app. You can see Gemini voice assistant open the Task Genius AI app. For install Gemini, go to Google Play Store, then search Gemini. Then click this Google Gemini. I have already installed Google Gemini. If you have not installed this app, press install button. Go to settings. Now scroll down and go to Google. Then click all services. Now you need to click search assistant and voice. Now you need to select Google Assistant. I click that. Now click voice match. Now we are going to train your voice to the model. For that you need to enable Hey Google service. I enable that. More. I agree. More. I agree. Now you need to train your voice to the model. For that you need to read this statement. Now I am going to read this statement. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Go to Google app. I open the Google app. Now press the profile image at top right corner. I press this. Now go to settings. Now go to Google Assistant. Click voice match. Now you can continue this as we did before. Now go to the Gemini app and make these settings. Click on the profile image at the top of right corner. Now go to the settings. Scroll down and click Google Assistant features in Gemini. Enable this. Choose Google Assistant features. And now go to the digital assistants from Google. Now select this Gemini feature. And also you can train your voice from using Gemini app. Go to Google Assistant feature in Gemini and go to Hey Google and voice match. And also you can train your voice from the Gemini app from using this feature like that we did before. Hey Google, open the Task Genius AI app. You can see Gemini voice assistant open the Task Genius AI app.